In cricket, few dismissals divide opinions like the man cat. Some call it smart, some call it shameful. But today, let's separate emotions from logic. It's going to be a discussion of ethics versus rules. Before a ball is bowled, both teams agree to a set of laws. So the real question is simple. If something is clearly allowed, can it truly be against sportsmanship? What we call a man cat is simply a run out at the non-striker's end. It is named after an Indian cricketer Vinod Mankat who first did it in international cricket. According to the ICC laws, the bowler has every right to do this. No warning is required, no exception is there. So it means a non-striker leaving the crease early can be run out. Yet many people still label it as against the spirit of cricket, not because it's illegal, but because of tradition and perception. But the more logical way to look at it is when a non-striker backs up early, he is trying to gain an advantage. It's a risk, but not illegal. And man cat is simply the bowler's counter, just like a slower ball or a surprise bouncer. Both sides are playing within the same rules. So the better way to perceive this is backing up early is a tactic from the batter and the man cat is a counter tactic from the bowler. If a bowler notices a batter backing up and does nothing, that's not sportsmanship, that's lack of match awareness. Earlier, captains were allowed to withdraw appeals. That decision reflected team ethics, not the legality of the dismissal, because it was a law already written. Ethics in sport should never contradict the rules. True sportsmanship means playing hard, fair, and within the laws. And sportsmanship also means accepting the defeat. If you lose within the rules, you accept it with grace, not with excuses. So, Mancat is not against sportsmanship. It is a legal response to a legal risk. Fairness lies in the rules, dignity lies in acceptance. And this kind of technical geniuses from players on the field adds to the beauty of this game. You all let us know about your opinions on Mancat. Subscribe us for more such stuff. Thank you for watching.